How to fix the issue of your phone not recognized in PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards settings, go to about device and simply go to the Android version option. Once you do, there you will see the option of build number. Tap on it for 7 times. If you do not see build number option, it is because you are already a developer and your phone is in developers mode. Then after go back in the setting, go to search bar and type USB. Then go to default USB configuration, click on it again and choose the option of file transfer and Android Auto. Once this option has been chosen, your phone will now be recognized in PC. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.